In this video, I show you how to fix Messenger keeps crashing problem or Messenger not opening problem. For solving this, go to Play Store, search Messenger, tap on Messenger, update your Messenger app, then go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search Messenger, tap on Messenger, tap on Force Stop, tap on OK, tap on Storage and Cache, clear the storage, then delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Messenger app, then log into your account. Now I hope that this method fix Messenger keeps crashing, Messenger keeps stopping or Messenger not opening problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.